Hi, this is the Xperia 10V and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first we should open the control panel and find here the screen recording icon. If you don't see this icon here, click to the edit icon and find here the screen recorder. Hold it, drag it to the subsection, go back to save the changes and now hold it for a while, and before starting your screen recording you'll see here a record audio switcher. Just click on it to activate this option and you could use here option to use only device audio, the microphone and device audio and microphone together. If you wanna just record the mood videos, you should turn off this switcher and after that you can start your screen recording. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.